Kia ora tātou. Hi, my name is Amedee. And Morataro, Winton School. Hi, I'm Brilea. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for Raapa, the 26th of March. We are still on the big countdown to the Duck Derby. Only 4 more sleeps until the big race on Sunday. If you haven't got a yellow duck, get one from the office. It's day 3 of our very own book fair week. Every day after school this week, the library will be open from 3 until 3:30 for book sales. Yes, get there quickly. Yesterday was packed out. And of course, Raapa means Junior Kapa Haka in the hall at lunchtime. Kani starts at 12:40. Listen for the sky. A friendly reminder about your HI VIZ vests. Most students are regularly wearing their HI VIZ vests to and from school. Please do likewise. And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below. To all students buying sports gear from the trolleys at interval and lunchtime, please return the equipment to the trolleys. Thank you. Tiki Team News. You have a lunchtime meeting in room 9 at 12:30. Bring your lunch. We have 2 birthdays at Winton School today. And gentlemen, you know who you are. Happy birthday to Caleb Scobie and Josh Milne, both turning 12. Enjoy your birthday, guys. Okay, that's all I've got for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite. Haere rā, Winton School.